Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional: the Boao 100 Packs Paint Strainers Cone Paint Filter with Silicone Funnel. Stay tuned as we explore why this is the best paint funnel available. If you're into automotive work, spray guns, or even just enhancing your home projects, this product is a game changer. It's not just a paint strainer, it's your new best friend in preventing clogs and achieving smoother finishes. Let's talk about durability. These strainers are made from high-quality materials with a 190 micrometers filter tip. That means they're tough enough to handle various paints, resins, varnishes, and more without breaking a sweat. Whether you're painting a car, refinishing furniture, or working on your latest art project, these cone-shaped strainers are designed to sift out impurities and ensure your paint is smooth and ready to go. And the included silicone funnel? It's not just any funnel, it's foldable, easy to clean, and won't collapse under pressure. What sets Boao apart is their commitment to quality. These strainers are thoughtfully designed with a full flow tip at the bottom for maximum efficiency. Now, you might be wondering, how does it stack up against the competition? Well, with Boao, you get exceptional value for your money. Other brands might offer similar products, but few match the reliability and effectiveness of Boao's paint strainers. Before we wrap up, let's hear what others are saying. Users love how these strainers prevent clogging, save time during cleanup, and ultimately deliver professional results. It's no wonder they're a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike. In conclusion, if you're serious about your painting projects, the Boao 100 Packs Paint Strainers Cone Paint Filter with Silicone Funnel is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Its durability, practical design, and affordability make it the best paint funnel available in the market today. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description to get your own Boao paint strainers today and level up your painting game. And remember to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique.